We're gonna do a full face of brand new makeup. Adding a little bit of lip balm so I don't get foundation lips. Saie just launched a new shade of their super glowy gel. Oh, that is so pretty. I love both shades that they have, the original and the bronzy one. This one has a little bit more of a rosy tone. That glow is gorgeous. We're skipping foundation today. Instead, we're gonna go in with this new Fenty Skin Tinted Moisturizer. They sent the shade 2 and 3. Let's see which one's a better match. Did I break it? 3 looks a little warm for me, so we're gonna go with number 2. I'm gonna use my brush and I'm just gonna blend that in. That is blending really nice on my skin. I really like how glowy it is. Look at my skin. It looks really healthy and glowy. And look at the before and after. I'm gonna go in and bronze up my skin. I don't have a new one, so I'm using my contour wand by e.l.f., which is one of my favorites. I don't remember if I've ever tried this concealer, but I'm pretty excited to see how it looks on my skin. This is a Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. I'm using it in the shade Vanilla Swirl. I have to show you guys this brush. I've been obsessed with it. It's from the Sephora collection. I got it in store. It's so cool. It's very dense, but it's made for concealer. Look at how good that looks, but it blends the concealer so seamless. I've been obsessed with it and it's really great for precise application. So I've been using it to really just define my concealer, blend it under my nose. So it's really hard to reach areas. This is really good for that. I also have the Huda Beauty Blush Filter Liquid Blush. I'm so excited about these. I've seen so many videos and they look super pigmented and I know they have a new foundation. I cannot wait to order it. So I think I'm gonna go in with shade Cotton Candy, which is a true pink. And we're gonna start off with a little bit. The color is so pretty. It's like a baby pink. I need to set this face. I have oily skin, so if I don't set it, I'm gonna look a hot mess later on. I just got the new Rare Beauty powders and they sent over a few shades, but I feel like they're all a bit too dark for me. I wanted to use them so bad today, but I'm gonna go in store and pick up a lighter shade so I can use it for you guys. In the meantime though, we do have to set it. So I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy Hourglass powder, which I absolutely love. And I'm gonna use this to set my face. You're gonna see the difference, it's crazy. Look at that difference. That is insane. I wonder if this Rare Beauty powder will work as a bronzer for me because it's a little bit darker. So I feel like maybe it'll show up as a bronzer and it is. Okay, that actually looks really pretty and natural. We're gonna use it as a bronzer today. This palette is so pretty. This is the Makeup by Mario, the Neutrals palette. Lots of cool undertones. I'm gonna do a really pretty soft daytime look because it's still morning time and I still have the rest of the day. So I don't wanna do anything too crazy. I love my warm shades, but I really wanna start playing more with cool undertones, especially for the fall time. And this palette, I feel like it's perfect for that. You guys already know the deal. These are my favorite press-on lashes from Amazon. I'm just gonna pop these on. Lashes always complete my look and I wasn't sure about the cool tones, but it looks really pretty. I'm gonna go in and set my face. I just got in the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is infused with hyaluronic acid, which I love in all of my skincare because it makes my skin look nice and hydrated. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to set my face. Woo, the mist is strong. We're gonna finish off with my lips. I'm using the e.l.f. and Mikayla collab. I'm adding the Summer Fridays Balm in Iced Coffee, which I'm obsessed with, right on top, and I feel like it really just completed the look. This is the final look. Oh my goodness, this was such a good first impressions of a full face of makeup. These cool tones on my eyes and my fall nails. I love it. Okay, I'll link everything, including all the shades that I used on my LTK, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.